heartless evil.
Omuhabuzi wa Purezidenti yasindikwa gavumenti okureba ekibireho ahishomerere y'abahekyera ba ADF batahirira muri mpondwe Kasese kandi ikahishomerere obwe byokwerinda biri ahiguru nokwe kurambuzibwa bitoro kudomera amahega ya UPDF mu cyangeke yamushoborera ngo hakaburaho impuru zingana aharuba kama bishomere cya leta irabe byokwerinda bakererwa nokwe Mayor Karooro okujumerera ikikorwa cy'aba ADF.
No flow of information from the leadership of this school. It's like they even didn't have any of our contacts. So we just got information from different sources. Students are striking. That is the first call I received at around 30 minutes past 23:00. DPS also had scant information. There was no flow of information.
Akanaka gwe erni hano burumuntu wena abantu bona bari bonna batere nduru mbachujunira abantu kugopo bakita abana bato batine na mushango innocent tibine mushango gono bakozeri omuntu agerashi bayenzere kurwana tubagenda bakarwana nabamahi abana bari mu ishomero.
Lieutenant Kanukaheru Israel umudumizi w'enkambi ya katano mu cyange cya Rwenzori ekiyacyamya ngo ishomero ryona ribireriye n'abana nkaga 22 ubwo hati bafire mukaga bacubuzire kandi bamwe bari mu marwariro aha batura bashabwo kwataganaje na polisi okurwanisa ibikorwa by'abahekyera.
By yesterday morning 12 students were missing. But in the course of the day 6 reported back. 6 haven't yet been seen. We don't know whether their parents have decided to keep with them or they are with the enemy. However, that very night when our forces came in, we dispatched a force that pursued the enemy, and up to now they are still following up the enemy.
Our strength lies in our community. They are the strength of the force. So when they share for us that information, we are able to serve the community better. So we call upon and we continue to call our community to always be vigilant and share information with us.
Mayor Karooro yahika no mwirwarire ryabwera ahi bamwe bariyo no batungira obujanja kandi yahamya ngo government buri kimwe kiri kwetenga umwirwarire nibija kukitama
terrorists kandi abakuciro bwinji bambaronde kibakweta soft targets nkabana nkabo bo bana bareba ngo bita abana nkabo mbamanya ngo ntiza kusasa munonga abantu.
We still need the effort of the government to add more effort in terms of security, to add barracks or other battalion to assist.
And the instance of this mama is that we have put ADF on pressure in DRC. I hope you're all aware of the achievements of UPDF in Eastern DRC. They are now trying to divert our forces by pushing them backwards such that we leave the main enemy group and now concentrate back home.
Ahirwariro ryabwera twashangayo mponoka isingo Majurius obasize kona atatungire na butabwamani.
Babiri they are holding what?
Guns, axes, hammers, bows.
Gasha kwa Sheikh Abdul Latif.